This is how to reset service reminder of Hyundai Santa Fe 2021 model. First is ignition on. Ignition on. And then go to the head unit. Select this icon. Then settings. Then vehicle. Then cluster. This one. Select cluster. Service reminder interval. Reset distance. Yes. Goods. 15,000 kilometers distance. Duration is 365 days, 1 year. All goods. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.